The Nomad Capitalist team is made up of around 60 individuals from 16 countries, many working remotely and some positioned in our physical offices in Serbia, Georgia, and Armenia. We also have our corporate office in Dubai, UAE. And over the last 10 years, our team has grown tremendously in number and diversity. In this video, I'll tell you a bit more about our team. Hi, my name is Khatia. I'm the HR manager here at Nomad Capitalist, where we help high net worth individuals, entrepreneurs, and investors to go where they're treated best. Sometimes we get asked the question, why are we hiring in so many different locations? And I agree, it is easier to manage the hiring, onboarding, and training process in one large office from one location. But one of the obvious reasons is not to limit ourselves and expose our search to the international talent available. Tapping into this wide-based talent pool allows us to find the best of the best and expand our company's skill set. Another question we get asked is what qualities we look for. Of course, each position has its own requirements and professional criteria, but because of our unique product and service, the majority of new hires will require further training on theory and practice. The qualities we look for include reliability, communication skills, being a team player, and willingness to learn. We're always looking for experienced people that speak other popular languages besides English. Our team is multilingual and we proudly can speak to our clients in many of the different languages. For example, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Armenian, Georgian, French, Urdu, Hindi, Japanese, German, Arabic, Portuguese, and so on. And for some positions, we are open to hiring inexperienced people with motivation and eagerness. I think it's important to have team members that respect the company's mission, the contribution of their role, and core values and mission. We have team members that have been with us since the beginning and have grown into our strongest assets. They recognize the potential in our business and product, but most importantly, they're provided with training, development, and nurturing that helps them grow and be comfortable being in this organization. Those people are the ones that spread the spirit to the newcomers, and that's how we create the unified culture in the team. Another strategy that we used was to replace many of our outsourced requirements with in-house team members, especially in the marketing department. Although they provided very effective service, they were expensive and sometimes didn't really grasp the message that we wanted to deliver and the methods that we were using for our unique industry. What's exciting about Nomad Capitalist team is that we have two types of employees. Team members that started their careers at Nomad Capitalist and acquired extensive knowledge about the industry and our services. And on the other hand, we have seasoned professionals bringing fresh perspective and ideas to our ever-expanding business. Our team is contributing to a very unique service and very personalized approach that we have towards our clients. One of the examples is that our case managers are individually handling their clients' cases and they're making sure that at any moment during the whole process, and it can be more than a couple of months, clients have someone to support them and answer their questions at any time. And you can provide this only by having very devoted individuals in the company. If you want to join our team, you're welcome to check out our careers page at nomadcapitalist.com/careers. You can see our team members, our mission, our values, and our open positions. You can apply there as well.